Hey everyone, welcome to my channel on this super hot, humid day. Well, I have the Eachine E160 RC helicopter version 2. What's different about this helicopter in version 2? I have no idea because I don't even have version 1, never had it, so version 2 is all new to me. All I know is the advertising is you cannot destroy this. It says it is crash resistant, so I might try that out here today. I do know that you can buy it just the helicopter itself, or you can get it as a ready to fly kit. I've got the ready to fly kit, so I got the 6-channel remote that came with it, and the helicopter plus a pile of batteries. The build quality on this is all carbon fiber, CNC metal, there's plastic parts as well, brushless motors, super powerful brushless motors. I have flown this in my backyard previously and I almost lost it up in the sky because I didn't realize how powerful it was. It is super powerful, so I'll try it again, but this time I'll be a lot more careful with it. Now, whenever I review helicopters, people always ask me about the batteries because they want to get extra batteries. Sometimes they don't want to buy the kit that comes with the batteries, they just want to use their own. So XT30 connector, and the battery that comes with it is a 2-cell 700 milliamp hour LiPo battery. It's about that big, that thick. That's probably not helping you, but anyways, yeah, that's it. And it fits in right in the back like this. You just slide it in, see, it's in already. As long as you can fit the battery in there, you're okay. So the final thing to tell you about this before I take it for a flight is that it is a 6G and 3D helicopter. So what does that mean? 6G is for people like me. You know, we need stability and it's more for beginners. It will stay pretty stable in the air so you don't chop your head off or lose an eye. It also does 3D for the professionals that can flip it upside down and TikTok it and do all sorts of things, which I can't do. If you see me flipping this upside down in this video, that's because it's out of control. All right, enough talking. I'm gonna take it for a flight in my super small backyard on this super hot, humid day, and let's see how it goes. Here we go. So the first thing you'll notice about the controller is it's not like your normal drone controller where this joystick sits in the middle. It's one of those controllers where the joystick goes all the way down. That means you control the throttle, and wherever you leave this, that's how much throttle the helicopter has. You also have switches on here. This is going to be your motors on off. I have no idea which way is on or off, but we're going to find out. I'll put it up and we'll see if that does anything. These switches here, if you're a beginner, just push them all forward. That usually means low rates, 6G mode. So we should be all good to go. So let me just power this on, and we'll see some display down here. We're all set. All right, I need a launch pad for the helicopter, so I'm gonna put this here. We'll take off from that thing. So if you get the ready to fly kit, the controller is already bound to the helicopter. They're all set to go. They're already programmed, everything. If you don't get the controller and you just get the helicopter, that means you already have a radio. So maybe you have a Radio Master or a Futaba or a Spectrum radio. All right, so let's take our battery. A little 2-cell, you see the big hole there, just slide it in. There we go. Take the XT30 and we're gonna connect it to the other XT30. As soon as we connect it, we'll hear a little sound, so let's put that in. There we go. And now your helicopter has to adjust itself, so put it flat on the ground. So let's take this will hold off, and move this up, and they'll start spinning. And we should be able to fly it here in our backyard. All right, I'll stand back so I don't poke my eye out. Got stability on, so there we go. Whoa. Wow, that was weird. Do I have stability on? All right, I don't think I had stability on because we were doing a little bit of 3D trickery there, so let me try this again. Here we go. I'll go higher this time. Stand back farther too. Okay, so there we go. I keep forgetting this is a professional helicopter with collective pitch. Now you're saying, what does collective pitch mean? It means the following. It means if I move the left joystick down, it forces the helicopter into the ground. So if I move it up, we go up. If I move it down, we go down. But I have to be careful not to slam into the ground. All right, so there we go. This is designed not for your backyard, but for a big field, because my movement's up and down, it's gonna send this flying into the ground. So enough of me flying it back here. I'm gonna take it out to a big field to fly it. But for now, how about I land it? Just bring it down, plop it down back where we took off from. I doubt if that's gonna work, but we'll try it. Did you see that? I slammed it down. So it slams it down into the ground and put our kill switch on. All right, guys. So I hope you found that pretty cool because I'm a newbie, but we're gonna go take this out to a bigger field and fly it. All right, I'm out at my field. There's an airplane up there and I've got the E160. I'm gonna take it for a spin here. I got a lot more room to fly it here. So let's plug it in and let it go. I will stand on this side so you can see the helicopter and all the lovely people over there. So here we go. Let's spin it up. I can go up higher here since I'm not in my backyard. Take it up nice. There we go. We can fly it sideways. So the E160, once again, this is a 3D helicopter. I'm flying it very, very slow here just to show you how it flies. I'm gonna get one of the other helicopter pilots to take it for a spin in a second. Just bring it over to the GoPro here. GoPro, where are you? Come back to the GoPro. So you see you can hover it quite nicely. I'll get over me, there we are. I'm doing a tail in at the moment, just so that there's a bit of a breeze here and I don't want to lose it. Well, actually I have it sideways, so it's not really tail in, this is tail in. Tail in is what you do when you're learning how to fly. You keep the tail pointed at you, and then when you know what you're doing, you can fly sideways like this, or nose in, or any way you wish. Here's nose in, I'll go right by me, over here. Do a big oval, and then come back to me. Get some speed, and it's pretty small, so I don't know if my GoPro is going to pick it up that well. I'm trying to keep it in line with the existing GoPros out here. Bring it back to me. All right, unfortunately I just checked and the guys are packing up behind me and they're leaving. So my helicopter pilot that was gonna fly this is leaving, so I have nobody else to fly it. So I'm gonna end this video here. But first, let me show you what comes in the box if you get the ready to fly version. So here's the box. Inside the box, you get your beautiful little helicopter. Mine came with 3 batteries and a USB battery charger. A 6-channel remote is included, and all the switches kind of make sense, although I goofed them up at first. You will need to supply 4 AA batteries to power the remote. Instruction manuals are provided for the radio and the helicopter. In case you crash your helicopter, spare parts are provided. Total takeoff weight of the E160 with the battery is 158 grams. If you would like to get the E160 with the battery and the remote control, then links are below. You can also get it without the remote control. I don't know if it comes with a battery if you get it without the remote control, but then you can bind it to your own remote. Anyways, I'm gonna put links below. All the information is below. Go check it out and see if this baby is for you. All right, guys, catch you in the next video. If you enjoyed this one, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in future with many more reviews. Until then, I say bye.